What's up, YouTube friends? Today I'm going to show you how to make some reindeer poop. This is a really quick candy to put together last minute. I'm making these for the girls at work and some of the guys, and it only takes 3 ingredients. So the things you're going to need is some Rolos. I have a 17-ounce bag here. You'll need some chocolate. Today I'll be using some almond bark, but you can just use the candy wafers if you want to. And then some mini vanilla wafers. I could not find them at the store, so I actually got these up at Amazon. It was like $2 and change per box. And that's all you're gonna need. The first thing I did was preheat my oven to 300 degrees. And I'm also just gonna throw my almond bark. I'm gonna chop it up and put it in my crock pot on high. Once it melts, I'm gonna stick it down to low until I'm ready to coat these. I then went ahead and unwrapped a whole bag of my Rolos. And then I just laid out my little Nilla wafers so that the flat side is up. I'm then just going to put a Rolo on each of my Nilla wafers. Now this would be a great recipe to do with any of those little elves that want to help you out. So now I'm just going to stick this into my 300 degree oven for 90 seconds. You don't want to burn the chocolate, otherwise it's just going to get like clumpy and chalky looking. After 90 seconds, I'm going to take another Nilla wafer and sandwich them together. You want to be kind of quick with this part. Right, so they should look like that. Now I'm just going to stick them into my fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes just till they harden up. In the meantime, I'm going to get another pan going. Alright guys, so these are all cooled down. They look really cute. I have another tray with wax paper here. And I went ahead and added another package of almond bark to my little crock pot here. One is probably enough. Any leftovers I have, I'll just let it solidify and store in an airtight container. Now this is one package, I think there were 11 ounces of Rolos and 1 box of vanilla wafers. So now with a slotted spoon, I'm just going to dip them into my chocolate. And then beat off any of the extra. And then just lay it on my parchment paper. So I'm just going to get the rest of these coated and I'll bring you right back. Alright, so it's late at night. Dexter and Mother are in bed. This afternoon I went on my Cricut and made some little reindeer dropping bag toppers. And here are all the little reindeer droppings. So I'm going to stick about 6 per bag. I got these at Walmart. It's just like normal little treat bags. And don't worry about my bare hands. These are going to my friends. They love my germs. So now I'm just going to take one of my little toppers. This bag's kind of long, so I'm just going to fold it down. And then using my long stapler, I'm just going to staple it on. Just like that. Now normally these will last a couple weeks in an airtight container, and what I like to do is I just go ahead and just stick this whole thing down in my garage. It stays cool. That way I know they're nice and fresh. So I'm just going to bag up the rest of these. I'm taking them to work tomorrow for the girls and a couple of the guys. So I hope you like this video. If you want to see more of my videos, go down below, hit that big red subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time.